Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Techwind. In this video we're gonna see how to temporarily disable Instagram account. Before getting into the video, if you haven't subscribed our channel, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon for more updates. Log into instagram.com from a computer or using mobile browser. You can temporarily disable your account from within the Instagram app. After that, click your profile picture and then click on to profile and then click edit profile. Scroll down, then click temporarily disable my account. Select an option from the drop down menu next to why are you disabling your account and re-enter the password. The option to temporarily disable account will only appear after you have selected a suitable reason from the menu and enter the password. You can temporarily disable your Instagram account. This is a way of temporarily disabling Instagram account. And important point to notice that if you temporarily disable your account, your profile, photos, comments and likes will be hidden until you reactivate it by logging back in. You can only disable your Instagram account from a computer or using a mobile browser. Okay, that's all about the video. If you like the video, click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And once again, thanks for watching.